Your small bedroom looks like this and you want it to look like this, then you have to watch this video to the end because I'm going to be sharing with you 6 easy tips that will make your small bedroom look a lot more bigger. And the last one is a game changer. So let's get straight into it. Number one is your paint color. Now, choosing the right paint color is going to make or break your room. Now, the right paint color is going to make that your small room appear a lot more larger.
Oh my
Very
god.
light colors. You can go for colors like very light gray, very light that is beige color, mint green, or even very light blue. So these light colors would actually make your small room appear a lot more larger. But two very important are your mirrors. So your mirrors are reflective objects, and when placed in your room makes it look like your room is continuous. So it makes it look a lot more larger. So consider putting mirrors in your room. It can be bigger mirrors, it can be mirrors on your wall, any type of mirrors will actually do. Number three is going for functional furnitures. Your bed takes like 90% of your whole room space. So it's important to go for bed that has storage within. You could also pair it with putting lightnings under your bed because it actually gives that your room the illusion that it's actually bigger. And if you also have wardrobes, you can actually embed it with your bed and then put lightnings on it, and it's going to be so perfect because you already saved yourself a lot by leaving enough room for your space to actually look a lot more bigger. So let's go to the next one. What are shelves? So don't think of going for standing shelves. You have to go for recessed shelf because here we are trying to save space. So there are different designs of recessed shelf you can go for, which are also called wall shelves. So this is actually going to save you a lot of space. So you can actually put your wall decor or any other items on it. Five is the type of floors you use. Personally, I would recommend for you to go for wooden flooring like SPC flooring in a very light color because this will actually make your room look a lot more bigger. SPC flooring has this type of horizontal feel, and that is exactly what you need for your space. So go for this type of. Because I love my subscribers so much, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. Now, this is the tip you've all been waiting for. Now, the last but not the least is the type of lighting you use for your room. Now, this is very, very important because the type of lighting you're going to use is going to make your space look a lot more area, cozy, and even a lot more bigger. So, firstly, we're going to go with for light. You go for lights like your table lamps, which you can keep on your table. You can put it on whenever you feel like, and then it's going to like illuminate the whole room. You can also go for LED lightings, which you can put at the backdrop at the back of your bed and stuff like that. Then also you can go for the wall scones. The wall scones you can put on your wall, and it's going to make your room feel a lot more lighter area and beautiful. Don't think of going for any heavy lighting or any floor lamps because it's just going to make the whole room feel a lot more stuffed. So with all this, I feel like you should be able to organize out your small bedroom and make it feel a lot more area and make it feel like it has a lot more space. So if there are any more questions that you want to ask me, feel free to just type it in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer every one of you. Thank you.